Hello, my name is Mildred, and welcome to my little video. And so, the Laramie project. This is what this video is about, and this is about Act 3, Chapter 5. Anywhere? Mm, Okay. So, major themes throughout the play are getting to know people as individuals. That is an A must that I would tell you, my students. Um, you can know someone, you can know a book just by looking at its cover and you just throw it aside. No, you have to open the book, you have to read the book, you have to get to know the book. So, getting to know people as individuals is what the Laramie Project was all about because they knew there was a crime. They knew, obviously, it was a hate crime in the news feed. Everybody with the news was there. It was in the news. But they didn't know the people of Laramie. So somehow the people in charge of writing this book and publishing this book, they knew there was more to Laramie than just what happened there. And that everybody shouldn't be penalized for the crimes of a few. And so getting to know people as individuals is a very important component and a very important step in separating yourself from that intolerance and lack of acceptance because you learn to identify when you listen to others. Um, Intolerance and lack of acceptance is another theme in this play, and hate crimes. And we see the culminating point at the end of the play, the last act, Act 3. And so it culminates showing again that hate is still present. Consequences of hate. Um, Starting where the play ended, we still read about the hateful mentality of the defendant in court and his lack of remorse for murdering Shepherd. The priest who spreads his hate to anyone who listens is also guilty. He's guiltier than the accused. The priest most likely planted that hateful seed in the minds and souls of a lot of people, susceptible people that didn't know any better. They weren't exposed to positive thinking or weren't exposed to people who were different. So that's how they stick together and they continue to feed off each other that hatred. But those who heard his preaching and did not do or say something are passive abusers. So they're also guilty for not for condoning it because they didn't say anything to the priest or whomever was spreading this hatred all those years while Shepherd was growing up, and then they did not. They hung out with these people. They socialized with these people. It was fine. It was a thing of life, and I wouldn't suggest that if somebody is intolerant, for you to spend time with that person. We cannot go through life forcing others to be what they are not just to please us. We cannot hurt others verbally and physically just because they do not agree with us. The next time you feel lonely and not understood, ask yourself, why did Matthew Shepard get killed? He got killed because others were too selfish to consider his feelings. Matthew Shepard got killed because those who hated him for no reason did not think he was also a human being who suffered and hurt just like the rest of us. Matthew, the way I deal with new people in my job is that I tend to start the conversation and be a little bit of a mentor. I usually do this with the new employees for my department. Another option is getting to know the people that are being criticized and judged negatively. Everybody has a voice, a story, and a lot to bring to the table. As soon as my coworkers start criticizing the new people and making fun of them, I speak up on their behalf and separate myself from their negativity. So that is an option. Anyway, thank you. Have a good day. And this video was produced by me, Mildred Event Fizon, and that's my email. And you are going to do next a little do exercise, do an exercise. And it's linked to this video, so if you have to watch it again, you can watch it again and pause it as many times as you want. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.